Yo, it's your boy Capone. We out here today. We got my Seems Legit garage kit. It's my boy Deontay. He's gonna help me install it. And yeah, it's a pretty legit kit. It's got a single piece drive shaft, Ford 8.8 diff, G-force axles with a lifetime warranty. And these axles are actually rated for 1,000 horsepower. So we won't be pushing that in this, but
yes, we will.
No. Maybe one day, but for right now, we have a bulletproof rear end that we're gonna install. We got all the tools. We got the diff fluid, got the lubes, the beer.
Wait, that shit came with the diff fluid?
No, I bought it separately. Got the stickers. Well, we don't got instructions how to install everything, but we got axle instructions. It came with cool koozies. There's only one thing we're missing. We're missing a apex bit. For this, I don't have one that size, so before we start the install, we're gonna go to AutoZone, get an apex bit, come back, and then we're gonna be in full effect. We're back. We got the socket. Where's the socket at? It's a 12 mil apex bit. And right now, so far, we got this bracket on the diff. And then we got the bracket that holds the diff up here on the car. And we have to take off these stubs that go into the diff to shave them down a little bit because they won't fit. And then once they're shaved down, these should pop in. And then we can install the diff, and that is alright. That's what we're doing. I'm about to put that shit on that vise.
You ain't vicing this damn. No, nigga.
Yeah, you know I'll vice this bitch, bro.
Please don't.
Shit, that's how I got them bad fucking other shit.
335i sketchy. Sketchy 335i, same thing.
Can I get that mallet? We're about to throw the diff in right now. Had to get the right tools and shit. So they came with two different nuts. Hey bro, but we gonna make it work. This is how you put it on, just like this. Question is, what bolts do you use for this end? Yo, what's good, y'all? So me and my boy Deontay, we got the diff in, we got the axles in. The axles are torqued. Well, the stubs on each side are torqued, and then we got to get the drive shaft. I'm gonna send an email out to Seems Legit, see if we can get hardware, and then I'm gonna ask some questions about. Where is it at? Well, oh, here it is. I'm gonna ask him questions about this to see if it goes on like this with the Seems Legit, or if it goes like this. And then yeah, and we also need the bolts that go in these corners right here. We have the bolts to where the axle would meet up to the diff. We don't have the bolts to where the diff would meet up, or the axle would meet up to the drive shaft, or to the transmission. So we're gonna figure all this out tomorrow. Another day, we're gonna skip the gym. Well, I'm gonna skip the gym and work on this. And yeah, that's about it. So for tonight, we wrapped it up. Last things is Guibo, drive shaft, make sure everything's torqued, make sure all my control arms are adjusted because they're all brand new and they're all shot right now because they're adjustable and they're all out of whack. So I'm going to try to get that lined up to the best I can to where at least I can drive the car and then get it aligned. And once it's at the alignment shop, that'll be their fucking problem. At least make sure to where it's not rubbing and making no weird noises. And then we also potentially have to loosen up the parking brake because I can literally click my e-brake 3 times and my parking brake is locked. So we're gonna loosen that up, and then yeah, that's it. Once we get everything else done, I will update you guys tomorrow when we start back again.